How to add a stop on Uber. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add a stop on Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a stop on Uber, it's actually quite simple to do so. Let's say that you are requesting an Uber ride, but instead of going directly from point A to point B, let's say your pickup point A to destination point B, you want to stop somewhere in between. That could be point C or anything as such. So maybe you want to add a stop in that case, so that you can also later on ask the rider on Uber so that you can stop in that particular place. So first of all, make sure to enter your pickup point from where you would like to get picked up, right? And after that you can select where to, and then you can add your location. But before that, if you want to add a stop in between the ride, you can tap the plus icon on the right hand side, which basically indicates that you can add a stop. So just tap this icon here, and now you can see add a stop. Just make sure to select it, and now you can just go ahead and make sure to add a specific stop that you would like to add over here. After you've done this, you can go ahead and add this as a stop. And now once you've done that, you can add another stop as well, and then you can tap the done button, and then you'll be able to add your stop on that way. This way you'll be able to add stop on Uber. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.